In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video in an Odoo website. To get started, open your Odoo website and navigate to the page where you want the video to appear. Once you're on the correct page, look to the top right corner and click Edit. This will switch the page into website editing mode, which allows you to make visual changes directly on the page without needing to work with code. If you don't immediately see the editing options, give the page a moment to fully load so all the website builder tools appear properly. After you enter editing mode, move your attention to the panel on the right-hand side. This is the editing pane where Odoo provides different website elements you can add to your page. In that panel, click on the Blocks tab. The Blocks section contains all the pre-built content components you can use, such as text sections, images, banners, and of course video elements. This makes it easy to build or customize a page by simply dragging items into place. Next, find the video block in the list of available blocks. Once you see it, click and drag it onto your page, then drop it in the exact location where you want the video to appear. Try to place it in a section that fits naturally with the rest of your content, so the page stays clean and easy to follow for visitors. If needed, you can usually reposition the block slightly until it looks right. As soon as the video block is in place, you'll be asked to paste your video link URL. Copy the link to the video you want to embed, then paste it into the field provided. Odoo supports several popular video platforms, including YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, Facebook, and Instagram. That flexibility is helpful because it means you can use content from whichever platform you already have your video hosted on. Once the link is pasted in, click Add. Odoo will then insert the video into the page using that URL. At this point, your video should appear directly in the section where you placed the block, making it part of your website content. And that's it! You've successfully added a video to your Odoo website. This is a simple way to make your page more engaging, whether you're sharing a product demo, a company introduction, or any other visual content. After adding the video, take a quick look over the page to make sure the placement feels right and the video displays properly.